My name's Ali. I'm from Rotorua, and here we are playing basketball. Whoa, let's play basketball! Pass the ball! Hurry up! Hurry up! Oh! Woo!
Oh my God!
Woo! I could beat you all day, I just haven't tried. Nah, they hit it on the mic.
Did you get to score me anything?
No, she's making jokes.
Right now.
She's making jokes. You need to believe that. She's making jokes. I tried like, I don't know. At least I had you flying for a little bit. Guys, I'm not dating you. I'm single, ready to mingle. I'm joking. Bro, I don't like Isaac. Guys, I don't like Isaac. I like Jason Tamalulu in his prime. I like Jason Tamalulu. We're interviewing people around camp, and today we're interviewing Matua
Tanner.
What do we have for breakfast?
Pancakes.
Oh my God, so good. What's your favorite activity at this camp so far?
Mic can be just right here. That's good. Look, there's a lot of great activities out here. The Flying Fox is up there with the contender, but Canadian Slide today was pretty fun.
The Flying Fox.
Oh, you didn't like the Flying Fox?
No, fine, you. Oh, first, what's your name?
Tarakura.
Who else is your cousin? That goes to the school.
I don't know.
We're just gonna mind the fact that his hand is stuck in his pocket.
Oh, can we just mind the fact that you're interrupting our video? Hey, what's been your favorite activity today?
The big slide.
What is your nationalities?
I don't know.
Well, I don't care, so you can get out now. Hello, guys. What's your name?
Gee, you already know my name.
Hurry up, hurry up.
Nikos.
The bestest activity in the camp right now.
Probably the hydro sliding.
Who's your best friend?
This one.
Nah, pick one.
I can't.
Pick one of them.
Gee, I can't see.
Don't be tough, hurry up.
Gee, nah, you pick one of your best friends.
Okay, I pick it up, Ahli. Oh, look at that guy. He wants to interview. 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 But guys, that's the end of the interview.